G'day investors! Are you investing in Australian shares like the ASX and wondering what your money will really be worth after 30 years? Today, I'm going to show you a completely automated Excel tracker that does all the heavy lifting for you. We'll look at 3 real-world scenarios to see how your returns, inflation, and even salary growth impact your final wealth. Let's dive in. Overview of the tracker. This tracker is designed specifically for Australian investors. It has 3 main components. Input section, where you set your monthly investment, expected return, salary growth and inflation rate. Investment growth table, showing how your ASX investment value grows year by year. And monthly breakdown, tracking every single month for 30 years with opening balance, interest earned, closing balance and inflation-adjusted values. The best part? The inflation rate is automatically pulled from 30 years of Australian historical data, averaging around 2.66%. So your projections are based on real-world data, not just guesses. Scenario 1. Base case. Monthly investment $1,000. Return percentage 10%. Incremental percentage 0%, no salary growth. Inflation 2.66%. Let's start with Scenario 1, our base case. I'm investing $1,000 every month into the ASX, expecting a 10% annual return. I'm not increasing my investment over time, so incremental growth is set to 0. Inflation is the historical Australian average of 2.66%. Watch what happens when I scroll down to the 30-year summary. After 30 years, total contributions $360,000. Closing balance $2,279,325. Inflation-adjusted balance $1,768,145. That's right, while my portfolio shows over $1.7 million, after accounting for inflation, the real purchasing power is about $1.4 million. Still an incredible result, but it shows why we can't ignore inflation. Scenario 2 with salary growth. Monthly investment $1,000, return percentage 10%, incremental percentage 5%, annual increase, inflation 2.66%. Now let's look at Scenario 2. This is more realistic. As your career progresses, you increase your investments. Here, I'm increasing my monthly investment by 5% every year. Everything else stays the same. Look at the difference. Total contributions $797,266, more than double the base case. Closing balance $3,593,021. Inflation-adjusted balance $2,848,418. By increasing your contributions over time, you've more than doubled your real wealth. This is the power of incremental investing. It's not just about returns, it's about consistently investing more as your income grows. Scenario 3, lower return but with growth. Monthly investment $1,000. Return percentage 8%, more conservative. Incremental percentage 5%. Inflation 2.66%. Now let's look at Scenario 3, our conservative case. Let's say the ASX returns 8% instead of 10% over the long term. We'll keep the 5% annual investment increase. The results? Total contributions $797,266, same as Scenario 2. Closing balance $2,511,859. Inflation-adjusted balance $1,941,402. Even with a lower return, you've still built over $1.9 million in today's money. This shows that consistency and increasing your investments over time are more important than chasing the highest returns. How to use the tracker, step by step. Now let me show you how easy it is to use this tracker for your own situation. Step 1, go to the Input section at the top. Update, the monthly investment amount, expected return percentage, be realistic, 8 to 10% for ASX long term. Incremental percentage, how much you'll increase your investment each year. Inflation rate is already linked to historical data. You can leave it or adjust if you have a different outlook. Step 2, the ASX growth table automatically updates, showing your portfolio value at the end of each year. Step 3, scroll down to the monthly breakdown. Every single month for 30 years is calculated automatically, showing opening balance, interest earned, closing balance, inflation impact, real interest earned, and inflation-adjusted balance. Step 4, go to the summary at the bottom to see total contributions, final closing balance, inflation-adjusted final balance, real wealth after 10, 20, and 30 years. Everything updates instantly as you change any input. This tracker is perfect for Australian investors who want a clear, data-driven picture of their long-term wealth. Whether you're investing in ASX shares, ETFs, or even your superannuation, this tool will help you plan with confidence. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Australian investing content, and download the tracker using the link in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!